So I've got this bald spot in my yard, but a friend loaned me this homemade sod cutting rig. Let's see how easily we can roll this grass up and transplant it. Now this rig is set up with a platform, that way you can put a bucket of water on top of it for added weight. I gotta be honest, I really don't feel like filling up this barrel with water. I'm pretty hefty these days, I might be able to just stand on this thing. Seems pretty sturdy to me. Now let's get the neighbor over here with the tractor. This guy's got a really good looking daughter. Maybe I can impress her by riding on this thing. Here's a quick look at the blade. I thought you might like to take a look at that before we get going. Kids got it made these days. I wish I had a riding mower when I was his age. And now for the moment of truth.
Let me clear it out real quick. There you go. We're about off of this one. Nope, it'll break it, so. Well, it's not exactly premium sod. No.
I think this stuff would have rolled up a little bit better if we would have watered the grass first.
Now we're still.
Feel what it feels and
Now I'll just roll this stuff out. The first couple rolls went on okay. This stuff's not very much fun to work with. Wow, this looks terrible. I'm gonna try rolling it out a different way. Maybe that'll work better.
We're no strangers to